something. Beautiful. Oh, yeah, shake that. Hey, what's up, you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my channel. I'm currently fishing at 2nd Avenue Pier in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Today I'm targeting ribbon fish. It's kind of windy, kind of slow. Hopefully for the next hour I can catch a little bit more. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to my kitchen. It was a slow day. I caught one of the ribbon fish today with this fresh catch. I'm going to share with you a very simple recipe. It's called pan-seared ribbon fish. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open the belly and remove the guts. Make a slice cut on both sides of the fish for easier cooking and marination. Cut the fish into 3 or 4 inch pieces. Marinate the fish with the salt only. Under the medium heat, pan-sear this fish for about 3 minutes on each side until it's turned golden brown. This is the pan-seared ribbon fish I'm talking about. It's a very easy recipe. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.